morning, everybody. Ramsack Nation, we're getting ready to head out on our first rifle elk hunt. Today is Friday. This is the 11th, October 11th. Season starts in the morning. And here's a couple of bulls that I've killed in this general area where I'm going back to. There's a bull my son killed. But I have a tag. Stephen Lane has a tag. Todd Wilson has a tag. And I've already got my mules caught up outside, hooked up to my trailer, fixing to go saddle them. We've got, they tell me it's a 10-mile ride in there, is what they've always said. I've been hunting in there for 8 or 9 years now with them. But it's going to be a fun time. Going to try to document some of this and hopefully bring y'all some action, or at least do a semi-live video and kind of keep y'all up to speed with what's going on. So here we go, Ramsack Nation. We're going to be at it here in the next 5 days. We've got 5 days to get it done. All right, here we go. We getting everything loaded. Got the panniers going in the back of the truck. There's Jenny. There's Jim. And Gino's around the back of the trailer, but he's back there. I don't know if you can see him yet, but let's go around here where we can see him. Yeah, there he is right there. Hey. And so, get everything loaded in the old truck. We're gonna get ready to take off here in just a bit. I'm gonna finish loading. I need to be out of here in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry and finish loading. We'll see you soon. All right, we're loaded up. It's about 10 o'clock. Here we go. Y'all come on, go with us. And there's our destination right over there. Going to the high country. Heading up the mountain. Colors are changing. They're saying the elk are bugling. And man, we're really looking forward to the next 5 days or so. We believe that it's going to be some good hunting. Bulls didn't bugle as much as normal during archery season. Still pretty warm, but we've got some cooler weather. I think tomorrow the temperature in town is going to be something like 19, something like that. So where we're at, it'll probably be 10. And man, I think we're going to be in them. We're heading up the mountain right now. Catch up with y'all soon. Colorado color. This is what the mountains look like in October. It's beautiful. All right, we got up to the trailhead. Got the mules, getting them ready. There's Todd. Stephen over here. Here's Todd's mules. A few more minutes, we're gonna be heading into camp. Stay with us. All right, we're off. Here we go. Here's the whole caravan right here. Todd's up there with his 3. 2 of mine here. Bubba's back there on Jim. Beautiful day. Heading into camp. off here in just a minute, going through the big meadow now. 40 or 50 years ago when Todd was a little boy, that log was leaning against that rock. It's still leaning there now. We're coming into camp. We're about 10 minutes away.
What time is it?
All right, we're coming into camp. We're just about to go through the gate. Oh, some of it done fell down. Well, maybe not. I got this log right here I was going to use too. I wanted to put it up on the other side. Oh man, the horn fell. Dang.
Hey, you got 2 horns up here.
Yeah, I was going to nail them on that tree.
Man, that's gonna work good.
But I had this long one right here to put over on that side.
That one?
Yeah, to put over there. You know how we wanted to angle one up the hill?
Yeah. Oh, they won't be jacking around in here.
Home away from home right here. We're going through the gate.
They might go over that.
Yeah.
Going up like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Put one at an angle going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that horn up on the tree. It just fell. I guess. Fixing to cross the creek here. Camp is about maybe 200 yards that way. Bub, you want to hop down and shut the gate?
Sure.
Okay. You'll see I just got on the other side of the tree here. I've got two hooks. Come this way. You thirsty, girl? Oh, you thirsty? Hmm? Oh, watch out, watch out. Don't go down. You goober. Why would you go down there? Both of them, yeah, slide them across on this side of the tree.
Will he stand there?
Probably, but I don't know. They're gonna try to back up probably on you. Let him go right there. Yeah, on this side of the tree. See that little wire, that little hole?
Oh, yeah.
Kind of roll, yep, right there. Other one. All right, guys, we finally made it to camp. I think it's 4:20, and seen some elk tracks coming in. We're gonna get everything unsaddled and maybe get us about to eat here in a little bit and start getting things ready for in the morning. All right, we're fixing to go down and get water. This is our drinking water. It's a base camp. Works really well. And this is just our coffee water, toothbrush water. So we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna show you how we go to the creek and fill up. Our trail's getting really steep. We had a tree that was right in the way, fell right across our path, so we're having to go down a steep little grade here to the creek. So hang on, we may fall here. Whew. Oh. All right, here it is. We're gonna fill up and we're gonna get these back up to camp. All right, we made it into camp a little bit ago, got everything unloaded and getting everything organized and cooking up a little supper. So, boy, we excited about it in the morning. It ought to be good. Cold up here, getting colder by the minute. But this is our camp. This is where it all happened, right here. Gonna be a good time. We're gonna do a semi-live video, and hopefully we can show y'all some action.
Yep, this is where the big boys hang out.
That's right.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh my God.
Well, had a little bit of dinner. Now I had a little cup of coffee, a little snack.
Yeah,
Starting to get dark. Oh, we're ready for in the morning though. There's old Todd Wilson. There's Stephen Lane. Gonna be a good day tomorrow. Man, it's cold up here tonight. We're even running our little heater down there. Todd's bunk, my bunk, guns hanging there, food there, heater, feed for the mules. There's Stephen Lane over there. There's all the rest of our food stacked up right here. Talking about the morning hunt. Fixing to get a little shut eye here in just a minute. And it's gonna be good. Opening morning, here we go. Well, we got a bull bugling over here. Bugle 4, I think 4 time. And we've been glassing now for about 45 minutes, but we can't see him in that dark timber. But we're gonna keep going at it and see what happens. Filling up our water bottles. Stream froze over, as you can tell. Right, here we go. Might be better right down there at that little overflow. this is about as high up a mountain stream as you can be. We're literally, I don't know, maybe a half a mile from the top, from timberline. You want to fill mine up too? I bet that's cold, ain't it?
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Well, we've already seen a cow this morning. Heard one bugle several times, but we're easing our way up, and we'll meet Todd Wilson up here in just a little bit and make a plan for the evening.
How clear that is.
That's how you fill a water bottle way up here in the mountains, huh? Yes, sir. So cool. All right, guys. Stay with us. We're going to bring you some action here directly. All right, one of them just shy. See who it is.
He walked in twice. Did you hear that? It sounded like a shot. Sound like he hit the second time to you did?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice bull too.
Is it? Where is he at?
He's right in there.
Right in where?
He's right in the aspens. I heard him crashing, and I seen the cows run over the hill. No bull.
Oh, they ran around this way?
Yeah, they went down the hill and went around. Dude, there was like 3 bulls in there.
Well, why?
We couldn't shoot them. One went down here, and then the other one stayed on the ridge, like behind.
I heard them bugling.
There was no way to shoot both of them.
Unless they both came down.
Yeah, they both didn't. He shot him at like 300. Maybe 280. That bull was dead.
So, was they down in this grass and they went into the
they
aspen?
came. Right, we got right here. And these suckers were right there, and we were standing right here. And the wind just went down in there. And so we drove off the back of the hill. Started coming around.
Did you see the second time when I shot it?
I didn't see it, but I heard it. It went, oh.
Oh my God. If I killed that bull,
That's a
it
good
would
bull.
be unreal. That thing, bro, that thing's wide.
It's big.
It's that black-horned one, wasn't it, bud?
I think so, yeah. I think it was the one we seen. But anyways, we got right here. As soon as we got right here and we got down, all we could see was a set of horns go right through the deal, and he was running, bugling. He went pew, down in there.
We couldn't get both of them together.
And
The one kept going way down here. There was probably
3 at
30,
least.
30
I heard like a
cows.
young bull bugling, and then 2 older bulls. But that bull's down in there, I think.
I saw. Did you see his right leg?
Yeah, he went. Started going, and then the cows just left him.
Took
Cows
off.
just left him, went around the hill, and I heard crashing. Right. Did you
Hey.
hear that crashing?
I didn't hear nothing.
You ain't
All
gonna
I was focused on was that bull.
Y'all ain't gonna believe this, but I just walked over to where y'all left y'all's bags,
Yeah.
and I was thinking about doing a video anyway. And about that time you shot, and I just turned the video on. I said, "They just shot. I'm going to them." And then all of a sudden, boom! Again. So you're telling me that a bull came out of here and came to
He
this group?
did, the one he just killed. The one he
That
shot.
sucker, I had my crosshairs on that one, and he was only probably
80 yards.
150.
Yeah.
Well, hey, you need it. Oh, you got it kind of marked in your head where that is?
He's right in them aspens.
He's like, well, he didn't get below that green tree, but he's on this side.
Below which green tree?
That only green tree right there. That pine.
Oh, he's on this side of the pine, but in line with it?
No, he's up a little further.
Okay.
If I killed that thing, I still won't believe it till I see
Hey,
it. Oh my gosh.
that's
'Cause
awesome.
I was so dang nervous, and I didn't have a good seat right there.
He was so tough. We were trying to get him there.
You were going, now shoot him, and I went, boom.
He wouldn't
Oh my
stop.
gosh.
He starts trying to jump on that cow. Did you see that? He starts trying to jump on this cow that's in front of him. And I'm like, what's going on? And he's whistling. He's going, and he won't stop. So I went,
He didn't stop. He was following them those cows.
yeah.
I didn't see the other bull. I think he was more over here, down in there, trying to get him off. What were they doing out there? What time is it?
Hey, when we got here, there were cows
Oh my
that were
gosh, look
going
at
over
this.
the top.
It's 8:15.
The cows were going over the top, down in here. And the bull
Yeah,
came
they
out.
were coming out.
They came out of the dark
And
timber.
they were getting mad, them bulls.
I kid you not, it is so hard to see an elk on that side of that hill
Oh my
until
God.
they get wide.
Well, I
right
saw
out in
his
the wide
right,
open.
when he was going down, I saw his right leg was jacked up, you know, right through his shoulder or something.
I don't know where you hit him, but you hit him the second time.
Oh my God.
It sounded
Did you
like-
hear it go? I didn't even hear nothing. My ears were dang shut. Oh my gosh. If that sucker is laying over there.
So when all that bugling all was going crazy, that was right here?
That was down in here. And
It
then
was down here,
one
and then
was-
they got to the top. When we got here, both of them were on top.
yeah.
But we couldn't get a shot because we were back in there, and these limbs were just all through here.
Well, we got like right here. It sounded like there was a bull over there where the cows were headed, huh?
Yeah. Yep. It sounded like there was a bull on top too. I bet there was 4 bulls in that herd.
But the ones down here, I heard a pretty good bugle down here.
Mm-hmm.
But the other one sounded like a young bull, huh?
Yeah,
Kinda
that
whistled.
one sounded like a young one, like he was coming with the cows.
I think he's down right over there. It sounded like he was crashing to me.
All right, there it is. We're going to go look for him. Stay with us. All right, we're going to look for him. I think he's down. He didn't come out of this patch of trees. So, I shot a bull right here with my bow. He was standing right by the end of this log. Biggest bull I ever shot. And trailed blood for over a mile and lost him. So this is going to be sweet redemption. Hey, this is where I seen that big bull muzzle loading too, bub. I thought I seen the tip of it over the ridge right over in here. Yeah.
So he might have been like right in here somewhere.
Okay, now you're almost in line with that pine tree now. Look to your left. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I smelt him right back down there somewhere.
Well, this morning was pretty anticlimactic after Todd shot. He shot twice, hit the bull. We found blood, looked for it long time, and finally determined that the bull did not, it didn't kill it, or at least it not nowhere close. That's something that a hunter never ever likes. And so, as you can imagine, he's pretty sick this evening. There's so many elk on this ridge, tracks, and there was 3 or 4 different bulls bugled this morning. So we're scattered out up and down through here. I'm in a saddle here. My son's on a ridge right down here looking both ways. And Todd went back to where he shot the one this morning. And gonna see what happens. I mean, there's not much else we can do right now. Todd's hoping that a bull comes back out with his cows and he can finish the job, but you know how those things are. So anyway, wish us luck, and it's a beautiful evening. Hopefully they'll come out early. Good morning, day 3. It's Monday, and hopefully today is the day. We're taking off early, see if the elk are hopefully still out in the meadows, but stay with us, bringing you some action here soon.
I think he moved. Dad just smacked a big one right there.
Dad's moving, dude. You alright?
I think he's down. He's down. Look at through your binoculars. Looked like he dropped him in his tracks.
Bro, is that his hand sticking out?
Yeah, dude, he's big. I'm telling you. He looked big.
Oh my God.
Is he big? I told you. gonna be a bit shaky when we come down here. Man, it's deep in here. Hey, dude, he's a good one.
Busted on the back.
Look how big that sucker is.
Busted on the back.
Oh. Oh. Dang. 6 by. Dude, that's a good bull.
Why does he have to be busted?
Man.
Well, got one. That thing's been busted quite a while too.
Yeah, he has. Sucker's big though.
Oh my
Man.
God. Let me get behind you. Man, a little bit bittersweet because of that bust off right there, but what do you do?
Man, we hunted hard
Well, you
for him anyways.
so stinking hard, bro. Let's get that good side over there.
Wow. Well, tell us the story.
Man, well, we were coming down to where Todd shot at a bull yesterday, and hadn't heard nothing. And so we got there on the ridge, and Stephen thought he heard a cow, so we decided to drop over in on this side. And I mean, we're literally, this is where that bull came in that Todd shot. I mean, just over there. But we're slipping out through here, just cow calling now and again. And I look down the hill, I just see the legs. I seen his legs.
Right. He must have been
when I
bedded right here, was he?
I think
He
was
stood
bedded
up?
right here. I
Yep.
think he just stood up. And so when I looked, me and Stephen both were like, man, it looks kind of small.
Yeah.
I think it might be a calf.
All we could see was his legs.
And then I kept looking, and I was like, man, Stephen, get over here behind me. I think I see horn. And he got over there, and all of a sudden you go, shoot him, shoot him.
Shoot him. I could see his horns at that point.
And I tried to shoot him. I shot for him right in the neck or right where the high shoulder. And I think that's where I hit him.
Yeah, I blew out
I
right
think
there in the
this
shoulder.
might be my second. I don't know. Huh? I don't know. But anyway, hey,
You got meat in the freezer.
Meat in the freezer.
Cool bull.
Yeah, he's just
super
a
cool.
pretty little bull. Man, wouldn't he have been cool if he had had his
Oh man.
other part? But I don't think I'd have let him walk if he'd have been wide open. Huh?
Nope. I sure wouldn't have.
All right, well, we're gonna get him took care of. Headed in to pack him out. Got it loaded up, man, old Todd. Bringing it out. All right, this is day 4. We're just leaving camp. Stephen and Todd still got a tag. Wish us luck. Here we go. Just getting daylight. Beautiful morning. All right, here's what's going on. Little biscuit, tenderloin, fresh tenderloin. Well, we took off hunting this morning and discovered that 2 of my mules went around the gate and took off back to the truck. So we came back and tied up the other mule, and we're gonna go hunt a little while longer, and then we're gonna have to come and walk out. So probably go ahead and take the elk meat from yesterday, take a few things and go ahead and go out. Bubba's got to be at work in the morning, and so we're gonna go see what we can find here for the next few hours. There's old Todd right there, and then maybe we can bring you some more action. All right, here's another little video of our camp. This is kind of how we got it set up. Fire pit over there, a little cook table, stove if we need it right there. Got our tent. All right, we're fixing to head out of here with the first load of meat. There's the horns over there. But all right, I'm gonna go inside and show y'all what. It's kind of messy in there right now, but here we go. This has been our sleeping quarters, eating quarters, everything right here. All right, this is how we do it right here. Backcountry at its best. Packing him to the truck. Whew, it's been a trip. Long ways in. Well, we're almost to the truck, and there's our mules that we lost. What you think, Bub?
Not a deal.
Oh my word, what a day it's been. But we're about less than a mile from the truck, so that's a good thing. Good morning, everybody. Wednesday morning, this is the last day of first rifle season, and brought my bull out yesterday, and I'm going back up the mountain, take the mules back in, and get Todd and the rest of the camp out. So stay with us. We're gonna wrap this first rifle season up, and hopefully Todd will fill his tag today. Well, here we go back into camp, leading on 4 of the mules. No saddles to ride my riding mule. 2 in the back are the ones that escaped from camp. But here we go. 1 back in, 1 more hunt this evening with Todd. Packing camp out tomorrow.
All right. So today's the last day of first rifle season. Todd's out hunting. I just got back to camp with the mules. I packed out my bull yesterday, and so I thought I'd show y'all a little bit of how we do things around camp. I'm outside of our tent, and it's kind of, again, here's our setup. There's the mules, our saddles. Kind of just see how it's set up. But anyway, doing a few camp chores that we got to get done before we are ready to leave out of here tomorrow. So I'm gonna clean a skillet here. I'm gonna get it going, get some water boiling here. Kind of get that going, and then get a pot of coffee. Kind of show y'all how we make this. Is an old percolator pot, and kind of show you how we do this. Let me go grab. I'm gonna go run grab some coffee. Be right back. All right, just got some water out of the creek right here because we're going to be boiling it for coffee, so not actually filtering it. You know the old saying, never wash a coffee pot, only rinse it out. So there you go. There's the rinse, and going to just kind of rinse off our thing here that holds the coffee. Okay, here we go. You want to fill on these percolators about 3/4 of the way up with water is about what they take. You get it too much, you will boil it over, I promise you. So here we go. Coffee, again, about 3/4 full. Now, what I've learned is the trick on percolators is that the longer you let it percolate, obviously, the stronger the coffee gets. Some younger people, though, that don't really know how a percolator works, that might not be so obvious, but that's how it works. They say rule of thumb is when it starts percolating, for it to go 2 minutes and it's ready. I don't know if that's entirely true or not, but something close to that seems to work. So here we go. Gonna make a little coffee right here. Todd should be getting back any time. I'm gonna probably try to throw us something together for lunch, and I'll make some little videos here as we cook and get things ready. All right, guys, remember, I've got my hot water going right here, but remember, at camp, you're not gonna have everything that you have at home. So you got to improvise, and we're fortunate here. We have a lot of stuff. I mean, we got forks and spoons, and we've got skillets and stuff like that. But as you can see, we have mules, and it takes a lot. It takes a lot to pack this kind of stuff and get it in here. And we are fortunate there, but you have to learn to improvise, however that is. So we don't use a whole lot of soaps back here. Some, but we use more just boiling water. And one of the things with cleaning up around camp is boiling water and paper towels is one of the best things you can use. So I just get me some hot water, get it good and boiling, and then I use my paper towel, almost like a dish rag, if you wanna call it that. And I wash my edges, clean my spatulas, my forks and spoons. All that stuff is with just hot water, boiling water, and a paper towel. That's one of the things I wanted to mention. The other thing is, it's pretty cold up here at night. It's in the 20s, so our food stays good. On this trip, we got some Applewood smoked bacon. We had 2 packages of hamburger, like deer and elk hamburger. We had 2 packages of pork sausage, and we had lunch meat, things like that. So we put them literally in just a can, and they sit by our tent in the shade, and they work good the whole time that we're up here. And I'm from Louisiana, some of you from the South. And when I moved here, I had to find out that things don't go bad like they do in the South. You leave something sitting out overnight in the South, it'll go bad. Here, we literally leave things sitting in a can for days and days, and it's just as good as ever. And so you gotta be willing to try new stuff. You gotta be willing to learn from the people that are in these western and midwestern states. And so one of the things, like I just pulled out this package of bacon, and the hamburger meat is thawing out, so there was a little bit of blood on this package. What ruins your meat up here, if it ruins at all, is the blood. So if you'll take it out, wash the blood off of it, as long as there's no bad smell with it, it's good to go. So I'm gonna cook up some bacon. I've got the rest of some eggs that we brought up, and when Todd gets back, we'll have some bacon and eggs. We always bring flour tortillas. That's one of the things we bring. And so I'm gonna whip some of this up. I'll show you bits and pieces of it as we go along. All right, here we go. I fried some meat in this, so it had a little bit of grease. So we're going to heat that up and dump that out of there. I'm gonna get some bacon going in this one. Got my eggs already starting right here. Here's our eggs, our bacon. Got my 2 burners going right there. Seasoned with a little bit of Slap Your Mama. I'm from Louisiana, that's a good season. And always, everything needs lots of black pepper. My friends who know me, as you can see, the bacon's got black pepper on it. I love black pepper. And so we're gonna get this going right now. We're gonna go ahead and put the bacon on, get it going, and then we'll get the eggs going shortly after that. Still waiting on the coffee right now to percolate, but it'll get going here in just a minute, and we'll whip up something real good right here, folks. Gonna be good. Something about being in the mountains too makes it a little better. All right, did your mama or daddy ever tell you that if you watch water, it'll never boil? Well, that's about how it is with this percolator, I can tell you. But here it goes, percolating now. I'm gonna let it go for a couple minutes. Have a good cup of coffee. I got my coffee cup sitting right there. It's ready to go. Stay with us. We're gonna eat some good food. All right, coffee's about ready. Sometimes we like to bring something like this. I think this is vanilla caramel or something. We like a little fruity stuff in our coffee every now and again. Sometimes I drink it black, sometimes with this, but it gives it a little extra kick. But we've let it percolate now for about probably 3 minutes. We're gonna have a good old cup of coffee right here. Let's try it. Oh yeah, just right. I'd say it's probably about like a between roast coffee. Be good. I'm gonna switch over this bacon onto this one. It seems to cook a little faster. Here we go. Oh yeah, good stuff. Nothing like a good pot of coffee around the camp. Good stuff. My bacon's coming right along. Have eggs going here in just a minute. I think it's about 1:30, 1:45. Todd's supposed to meet me back here about between 2 and 2:30. So ought to have this food probably just about ready when he gets back. And we'll eat, rest up a little while, and go see if we can't make the most of the last evening's hunt. Y'all stay with us. More action coming to you. Oh yeah, camp life right here. Bacon's almost done. Eggs are on the way. Enjoying a good cup of coffee. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but we're about, I'm gonna say about between 7.5 to 10 miles back here. And takes a lot to get back here. But man, it sure is rewarding when you don't see hardly nobody back here hunting. So, we're gonna enjoy some good food. Finished product. Let's eat. And right there, my friend, that's how we do it. Right there. Oh yeah. All right, folks, here we go. Todd made it back. Ate him a little something. And we're fixing to go out the last hunt of 2019 first rifle season. Ramsack Nation, we going after them this evening. They're all in trouble. You better watch out. Any legal bull, we're ready. Come go with us. Up on the ridge, doing a little listening. We're in the spot right now. Hit me in. My pastor, Brother James Harrington, were at one day, and I have a sow and 2 cubs. Come off the hill right up there. Come down. And me and Brother Harrington went and got on that rock. Good memories right here in this spot. I shot a 6x right here in this spot one time. Beautiful in here. I don't know if you guys have ever seen anything like this, but first time for me, but a tree laying on the ground, and this bull just ripped it. Just walked up it, just shoving his home into it. Ripped it up there. Put some marks in it up there. Wow. Well, that's a wrap for our 2019 first rifle season. Man, 5 hard days. I was trying to figure up a while ago how many miles, but I'd say we probably averaged
About 100.
I'm saying we averaged 8 miles a day anyway,
Yeah.
and some more. I know it was 13 when I went out the other day. That day was 13 miles.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna say we done 40 miles anyway this week, or the last 5 days, and I guess all things considering, we wanted to all fill our tags, but we did get an elk last year with Steven. We didn't even see an elk the whole 5 days.
Yeah, that was bad.
So I think we've actually seen elk 4 of the 5 days, or 3 of the 5 days.
Let's see.
You and Steven seen the elk
4 of the
across
5
the
days.
Yeah. So 4 of the 5 days. Today was the only day you didn't actually see an elk.
I saw an elk today, a dead one.
A damn one, yeah.
With a big old
And
bear
a bear on it.
We'll put the bear video in this video as well. He was a giant monster. But we're gonna eat us a little something, get some rest, and tear down camp in the morning and head back to the real world.
Yep.
So, but it's been a fun. Todd was just talking about it's been a fun hunt. Anyway,
Sure was. Fun camping.
Yep. Nothing like being up here in the mountains. All right, guys. Well, thank y'all for watching, and man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video.